What is it?
Baby found mom's tickle spot. Peekaboo under the blanket. This pose is too cute to handle.
Night night. Night night. Good night, Karma. Good night. Are you going to sleep? Good night then.
Good night.
Good night, Karma.
Yeah.
Babe, she's supposed to be in her bed asleep.
She is. Whoa, how'd you get there?
You're pretty. Oh, you are pretty. Good job. What are you doing?
Can you give me a kiss? Yeah.
Tell Mom you peed everywhere. Alright, here's the roast beef. One more time.
Baby's thinking, hands off, Mom. This is mine.
Goodness and strength that she carries that.
Hey. 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 Shh, shh. Stop flirting. Stop flirting.
Is this I need you, right? Bom dia.
You'll hear something.
Tiny dancer following Dad's lead.
A ver si Prestan atención.
Who needs a bottle when toes are this tasty?
Delicious. Nothing better than this fresh toast.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Vai tomar pique hoje. Hoje vai tomar pique. Vai tomar pique. Eu não acredito. Quem é que vai tomar pique?
Oh, okay.
Okay, don't do that. Nice.
Today my daughter speak the first word. Dada.
Baby's got some
Daddy's
serious
so
talk
proud.
game.
Love you.
I
Oh, Lord. Here, you want a 20? All right, cool. Gentry.
Where's Dada? No, bro. Goddamn. We just worked on this for like 10 fucking minutes. No.
Call back claim created for backup and basement.
Yeah, back in the basement.
Backup and basement. Okay.
There's
Please,
a
I'm
cleanup
sorry.
cap in the basement, so watch that and it's not going.
What's he doing? Whoa!
If he would eat them here. I asked if he would eat them there. But he said no, he did not care. He would not eat them anywhere. Not in a car or with a goat, not on a train or on a boat. I want to gag, I want to choke. I want you to touch the little dangly thing that hangs in the back of my throat. Would you?
Do it, Bailey.
that's a good move. That's a good move. Get it. Oh, get it, get it, get it. Hell yeah.
You gotta wait till you're 21, okay, man?
Lifting spirits, one push at a time.
Level 1. Cuteness overload. This little gamer is ready to conquer.
Hello. Hi, good morning. She's smiling. Say morning. Good boy.
Марюс, покажи ежика. Покажи ежика. Покажите мне.
That tie just became the greatest mystery in Baby's world.
Are you scared?
Stop doing it.
Milk delivery incoming. Baby's excitement is off the chart.
And for the lady, perhaps a salad?
Perhaps not.
Is she gonna poo? Has she?
I love you. I love you.
Give me a kiss.
So nice.
Give me a kiss.
Aww,
Oh, you're so kind.
you're the kindest.
Give me another one.
Go ahead, give a
Give me a
kiss.
Two drivers, one tiny car. Who's got the license?